In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a high-resolution image in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser or app and log into your account. On the home page, you'll see a button that says Create or Create a Design. Go ahead and click that. This is how you start a new project and choose the right setup for your image. Next, you'll be asked to select a size. You can either pick from Canva's ready-made options like Instagram posts, presentations, or posters, or you can enter custom dimensions if you already know the exact size you need. Even though we'll be exporting in a high quality format later, it still helps to choose a size that roughly matches where you'll use the image, like a website header or social media banner. Once your blank design opens, look for the upload section on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Upload. This is where you'll bring your own photo or graphic into Canva. Choose the image file from your device and wait for it to fully upload. When the upload is done, click on the photo to place it onto your canvas. You can resize and reposition it by dragging the corners and moving it around until it fits the layout. Take a moment to center it or adjust the composition so it looks the way you want. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see an option called Transparency. Click on that. A slider will appear, allowing you to control how opaque or see-through your image is. Set this transparency to around 30%. This helps create a softer, layered look, which can be useful depending on your design. You can always adjust this value slightly if it doesn't look right, but 30 is a good starting point. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner and click on Share. From the menu that appears, select Download. This opens the download settings, which is where the high resolution part really matters. In the download panel, click on File Type. You'll see several options like PNG,